Okay, so this is A&PII 2 week 11 video essay chapter 23. The prompt reads, make a simple line drawing of the organs of the alimentary canal and label each organ. Then add 3 labels to your drawing: salivary glands, liver, and pancreas, and use arrows to show where each of these organs empties its secretions into the alimentary canal. Describe the function of the salivary glands, liver, and pancreas related to digestion. So here's my simple little drawing. You can see I've labeled the mouth, the salivary glands, the esophagus, the stomach, the pancreas, the large intestine, the small intestine, the anus, and the liver. So instead of using arrows, I'm just going to show you and I'm going to talk through. So we go from the salivary glands, they empty into the mouth directly or indirectly via ducts. From the mouth, we go into the esophagus via the pharynx. From the esophagus, we go into the stomach via the esophageal sphincter. From the stomach, the liver, and the pancreas all empty into the duodenum. The stomach from the pylorus, the liver through the common bile duct, and then the pancreas via the sphincter of Oddi. From there, we get into the small intestine, which empties into the large intestine via the ileocecal valve. The large intestine, I'm going to break into parts. So we go from the cecum to the ascending colon via the cecolic orifice, then through the right colic flexure into the transverse colon, then through the left colic flexure into the descending colon. So from the descending colon, we go through the sigmoid flexure into the sigmoid colon, then through the sphincter into the rectum, and through the anal canal to the anus. Now we're going to quickly discuss the function of the salivary glands as they relate to digestion. So the salivary glands produce saliva, which helps to lubricate and break down food. So it breaks down carbohydrates with salivary amylase and then lubricates the passage of that food into the esophagus. Moving on to the liver. So the liver's main function in terms of digestion is to process and absorb nutrients from the small intestine. So bile from the liver plays a really important role in digesting and breaking down fat and other key vitamins. Finally, we have the pancreas. And in the simplest terms, the pancreas's main function in digestion is to produce enzymes which break down starches, fats, and sugars.